What's up, YouTube? Shadow DPS down here in San Antonio. I am in the Blue Star Art Complex. I come down here every once in a while on a Saturday or Sunday morning, grab some coffee, kind of chill out. This area is pretty cool. It's called the Blue Star Art Complex, as I said before. A lot of neat little restaurants and shops, art galleries, bars and clubs and everything. It's pretty cool. You can rent bikes over here. As you can see, this gentleman here is running. You got jogging trails and walking trails and little bike trails. Down there you can see the river. This is the very southern end of the river walk, and it's pretty chill down here. A lot of high-end older homes in this area along the river walk. This area used to be very industrialized a few years ago, but they're moving businesses here, kind of revitalizing the area. And it's got a nice little feel to it. Right now it's pretty early in the morning. It's probably like around 8 o'clock. But as the day goes on, this place gets pretty packed, especially on a Friday or Saturday. A lot of folks down here enjoying San Antonio. So since we're down here, I might as well take you on a quick tour of San Antonio. And so just sit back, relax, and let's see what we can see. So yeah, that's the Blue Star Brewing Company. Got some pretty good brews, microbreweries. Well, they got some pretty good craft beers in there. There's another brewery on the other end of this building. It's called Stella's, and they also have quite a few interesting, unique beers, local beers, if you're into that. All right, let's go see what we can see. But yeah, this is my ritual on some weekends. How come my GPS isn't coming up? There we go. That's one of the coffee shops that I like to frequent here. Awesome coffees. So yeah, there's a river walk down there. Again, I said we're at the very southern end of it. It's a pretty chilled area. A lot of older homes here, very established area. There's a restaurant there called the Liberty Bar. Outstanding food, man. I mean, just outstanding. Alrighty. That structure over there is kind of looks like the Seattle Space Needle, but it's not, of course. They've got a little restaurant at the top that actually revolves, and it's pretty cool. Looks just like the Space Needle, huh? All right. Heading downtown. They say San Antonio is like the 7th largest city in the U.S. It's kind of hard to believe. I mean, it's got that small town feel to it. But I guess they're counting the surrounding areas. Not a bad little spot. You can also rent bikes over there as well. San Antonio comes alive as it gets later in the day. The Riverwalk is a fun place to hang out, like on a Friday or Saturday night. Lots of good places to socialize and have a few beers or margaritas. San Antonio is not a large town, so if you blink, you'll miss it. But it's got its little charm. The Riverwalk is just over there. I would have stopped, but there you go. You can see it right there. Market Street, Commerce Street. Let's see if we can go this way here. Do not enter. Alrighty. Saltgrass is a pretty decent little steakhouse. Alright, can I make a left? Can't make a left there. .806. Don't mind my clock on my dash. It's wrong. I need to fix that. Got your bicycle cops out. Alrighty, let's make this left-hand turn here. Actually, let's go this way. Man, that fan is loud. Yeah, so you've got the Chipotle, Dave & Buster's, IMAX, Macy's, H&M. A little small shopping mall down here. And easy access to the Riverwalk. And the Alamo is right over there. There is the Alamo, folks. The most famous landmark here in San Antonio. And you got a Ripley's Believe It or Not here. You got a few little spots to check out. Well, actually, I could go that way, can't I? Let's go that way. Yeah, so this is the Alamo complex. Big tourist destination for people visiting the area. And those are pretty much the highlights of downtown San Antonio. This area is pretty spread out. All right, then I get on 35 and head on. All right, got me going up toward Austin. Yeah, I hate 35. My least favorite interstate highway ever. It's even worse than I-95 in Virginia. Yeah, let's get away from these dudes, especially this truck. Fort Sam Houston. It's right over there to my left. San Antonio has several military bases. Fort Sam Houston, Camp Bullis, Randolph Air Force Base, Lackland Air Force Base, Medina Annex, Brooks, military town. That's one good thing about San Antonio. They love their military here. For the most part, anyway. Well, that's all I got for you today, YouTube. I will talk to you later. Peace.